Hello, guys, welcome to Tech News Episode 4. In this episode, you will know about Huawei Y8p. Let's start the video. Huawei Y8p has launched globally as the latest smartphone offering from the company. The phone seems to be a rebranded version of the Huawei Enjoy 10s launched in China last year. The Huawei Y8p comes with a triple rear camera setup at the back and has a 4000 mAh battery. The new Huawei model is listed to be powered by the Kirin 710F SoC, and there's a water drop style notch on top of the display that houses a 16-megapixel selfie camera. Huawei Y8p price, availability. The Huawei Y8p has been listed on the global website, but its pricing and availability details haven't been announced yet. Gadgets 360 spotted it for pre-order on the company's Belarus site for bin 549, roughly Rs. 17,100. Sale in Belarus is listed to begin on May 29. Pricing and availability should be announced in other regions soon. It will be available in breathing crystal and midnight black color options. The Huawei Enjoy 10s was launched in China last October and its price is set at CNY 1,599, roughly Rs. 16,000 for the sold 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage configuration. Huawei notes that there may be a 4GB RAM option in few international markets and internal storage has been amped up to 128GB. Now I tell about Huawei Y8p specifications. The Huawei Y8p runs on Android 10 based on EMUI 10.1 on top. It features a 6.3-inch Full HD plus 1080x2400 pixels OLED display. The phone is powered by the HiSilicon Kirin 710F octa-core SoC paired with 4GB and 6GB of RAM options. The Huawei Y8p has 128GB of onboard storage that is expandable via nano memory card up to 256GB. As for camera, the triple rear camera setup of the Huawei Y8p includes a 48-megapixel primary sensor with an f1.8 lens, 8-megapixel secondary ultra-wide sensor with an f2.4 lens, and a 2-megapixel tertiary sensor with an f2.4 lens. Up front, there is a 16-megapixel selfie camera sensor with an f2.0 lens. Huawei has provided a 4000 mAh battery on the Y8p. Connectivity options include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 800 2.11 AC, NFC, Bluetooth V5.0, GPS-A GPS, USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. There is also an in-display fingerprint sensor on board. Other sensors include an ambient light sensor, gravity sensor and compass. Lastly, the phone measures 157.4 x 73.2 x 7.75mm and weighs 163 grams. Thanks for watching this video.